It's weekend and today we're doing another YouTube video, and today, sorry guys that I have not been uploading. It has just been really I've had loads of stuff going on, and today I'm going to be showing you, as you know by the title, how to make a tape measure bomb. So what I'm going to need to do is get a screwdriver and take the screws out. I've already got all the screws out, so then you want to be careful when you open this. I've already done it and opened it. And you've got your tape measure in there. And you need to kind of leave it. Mine's upside down, but it don't really matter because it's going to be one. You can still use these, but you could have a choice if you want to keep it. You could keep it on this round bit, or if you don't want to keep it, you could just take it off this. So basically what you do is you could put it here, and right, where should I do it? So if so I've got my drawer here. So say if I put it right, so basically you could make it so when someone opens the drawer, it basically explodes. So let's just, you see, just need to roll it up. Oh, but it takes a little while. So just 2 seconds, guys. Shut the door. So let's just keep on doing this. Oh god. This thing goes, I think, 12 meters, I think. So it's pretty long. And long one's actually better because it makes a bigger explosion. This is really finicky though. So now guys, it's in there, and then let's do it so you guys can see. Put you guys there, so let's open it up and see what happens. It might fail, don't know. Yeah, that has failed. Well, so if they're looking for it, that is going to happen. So I don't think you guys saw that properly. So if I'll just do a part 2 of this. So I'm going to do a part 2, guys, to this. So see you in the next video.